that you're going to have in your house for 60 to 80 years, a lot of people don't want that after I describe it that way. So our guys eat a variety of fruits and veggies every day. We give them very healthy, just like how your dogs and cats have specialized kibble for them. They have specialized pellets for them. They do enjoy seeds as well. And for treats, we do give them things like nuts. Let's see what I can grab out of my pocket right now. There you go. Like there, he's having a nice pistachio. Unfortunately, you guys can't hold him quite yet. We are trying to get him socialized to the point where maybe he can meet you guys. But we are still a baby. We are still learning how to be around people. So just the fact that he's nice and calm in front of you guys, I'm pretty happy with right now. Now the lions are trying to remind us that this is the Lion Habitat Ranch. But I think Ringo here is pretty fun as well. So, parrots have things called zygojaculous feet. If you look at them, there are 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the back. It's perfect for gripping onto things like my arm here, also branches and whatever else they have to hold on to. They're strong enough so that way they can actually hang upside down if they need to. And these guys are the only birds that use their feet as hands as well. You didn't see it with how he did it, but macaws like him love to hold their food in their feet sometimes if they need assistance. But because we are a baby, we are kind of still learning how to use our feet as hands as well. See, he just destroyed that like that. Now that these guys are rescues mostly, we actually don't know that much about their past before they came here. Their ages, most of us, we don't know how old our birds are. We don't know medical histories, and luckily our guys are pretty healthy, and we're very vigilant to make sure their health is up to date. And for birds like macaws here, we don't know their gender. You can't tell just by looking at a macaw if they are male or female. You have to get a DNA blood test to see if, they are male or female. So we're inferring that Ringo is a male, but, he could be a female.
Then it would be Ringo.
Yes, it would be Ringo. That's what we think about Angelo over there. We call him Angelo, but we're actually pretty sure that it's a... Now, birds can tell just by looking at each other whether or not they're male or female because their coloration in UV light is different. Birds like macaws here can see in UV light. Their coloration is way more vivid than ours, and they'll see lights and colors that we'll never be able to see. There's in fact a theory out there that birds can see the wind current because the wind current is in UV light. Now, wouldn't that be cool for an animal that needs to fly everywhere to actually see if they're flying with or against the current? Now, Ringo here does know how to mimic words. We say mimic versus talk because these guys just learn fun noises from us and they repeat them to us. They don't actually know what they're saying. But trust me, we have said enough to Ringo for him to learn how to say hi. He did say hi to me when I first entered the enclosure. I don't know if you heard it. It also does sound like a person, so sometimes you don't know. He knows how to say hi. He knows how to say what you doing. He knows how to say come here. You know your name. You can say good boy. And then I'm pretty sure the other day I heard him cackle. Not just laugh, he's cackling. He loves to make noises. Now, he's being quiet right now because like a 2-year-old, he has my attention. He has what he wants, so he's going to stay nice and calm and just hang out here. But sometimes when you walk away from a bird and they really want your attention, that's probably when they're going to most talk to you. So when we're cleaning enclosures like Belladonna over here, we'll hear him say, hi, hi, and just start talking to himself. Z is also a kind of a culprit of that, where you try to get him to talk, he doesn't. The moment you're like walk away 2 steps, he'll say hello to you. All right, guys. Do you guys have any questions about any of our birds or any other animals here on the ranch? Yeah, what's your question? Oh, hi, Ringo. Can you say hi? You're thinking about it. What you doing? Can you say hi? He's like, no, I'm shy now. Just like people, sometimes they get stage fright. Do you guys have any other questions about any of our birds? Well, so we're actually trying to teach Ringo how to fly from person to person. Macaws are interesting because they have the instinct to fly, so they kind of know how to do it already, but they need to practice to be really good at it. So if they don't get the practice, then they're not really good at flying. But that's okay, because we take care of them regardless of whether or not they can fly. Well, that's why we have him on this harness here, so that way we can make sure he stays safe if he tries to fly away. Because I don't know if you've looked around, but we have a lot of lions, and we want to make sure that Ringo is safe. Any other questions, guys? All right, guys, thank you so much for coming to our bird chat today. Please enjoy the rest of our animals here, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.